Hi, Carla.
Hey, everybody.
Hi, guys.
Hi,
So good to
everybody.
see you. Hi. Hi.
Happy holidays.
Faces, please.
Cue the lights.
Curtain up.
This spring, with your help,
The AVC Theatre Department will keep the spirit of live theater thriving.
Our wide range of theater classes provide important lifelong skills.
Essential forms of expression.
And powerful examinations of social issues.
Enroll now for spring 2021 as we explore
Introduction to theater and fundamentals of acting.
Intercultural and women's theater.
Intro to stage lighting.
Intermediate acting workshop.
acting for the camera.
makeup for the stage.
Improvisation.
Drama production.
And theater for young audiences.
Together, we will
Discover and use our voices.
Find artistry in our work.
And experience the passion, love, and purpose
Of the magical, magnificent world of theater.
We hope you will all join us. Please register now at www.avc.edu. We'll see you next semester.
Thank you.
Cut. How was that?
Good.
Yay.
That was good. I think that was good, right? Okay,
I think
great.
it was pretty good. I
Last
think you should leave cut, how is that in?